Welcome to Rmail for Outlook Online. This video will demonstrate how to send an encrypted email. Let's begin. From your Outlook Online email inbox, click New. Address your email and add a subject line and message as you normally would. Add any attachments. Now choose Add-in and select the Rmail Add-in option. The customizable Rmail option window now opens. In this instance, we're going to send an encrypted email. Here we have a few encryption options, automatic or custom. Leaving it on automatic means Rmail will create a system-generated password. Choosing custom enables you to select your own unique password that will be needed to open your email. To ensure the separate password email is sent, check Email Custom Password. Please note, if your recipient's TLS settings are turned on, they will be able to open the email without a password because the TLS settings recognize that it was received encrypted. When you've finalized your selections, click the red Confirm Selection button. It turns green, signifying it's now ready to be sent. Now, click Send. You will notice in a few moments you receive your acknowledgement email. This email certifies that your email has been sent. It includes who it was to, the time it was sent, and the message ID. Now let's look at what the recipient received. You'll notice two emails. The first email is the custom decryption password you created. The recipient will copy the password and can delete the email. You'll notice on the encrypted email it now says registered in the subject line. When the recipient opens it up, they will immediately notice the encrypted email banner, so they will know it is a private, secure, registered email message. The encrypted email that was sent was wrapped in a secure, encrypted PDF wrapper that needs the password to be opened. So let's open the PDF, which needs the password, so I'll paste it in, and I'm able to read the encrypted email. Also notice the document we attached is in the attachment area. Going back to our Outlook inbox, we now notice the registered receipt email has returned. This registered receipt email is your compliance of encrypted delivery if needed, proves your email was delivered, who it was delivered to, the delivery status, in this case delivered and opened, at what time. It includes a unique message ID number and a full delivery audit trail. To learn more about Rmail's encryption delivery service or any of Rmail's services, visit rmail.com.